Can you envision taking control of your health, the chance to decrease the consumption of traditional medications that are not only exorbitantly expensive, but often further jeopardize our well-being? If this concept resonates with you, this accomplishment is merely a click away. Greetings to nature enthusiasts, welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into something truly astounding that has the potential to completely metamorphose your garden into a natural haven of wellness. I am Olivia, and I am extremely thrilled to introduce you to the Medicinal Garden Kit. Let us commence by acquainting ourselves with the genius behind this extraordinary kit. Let us meet Nicole Apelian, holder of a doctorate in biology. She is a mother, an herbal expert, a survival skills guru, and an overall biology enthusiast. Nicole's journey commenced with a biology degree from McGill University and an extensive knowledge of plants acquired from the Bushmen of the Kalahari Desert. Life threw Nicole a curveball when she was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis at a young age. But guess what? She altered her approach and turned to Mother Nature for profound healing. And guess what? It worked incredibly well. She even spent 57 days alone in the wilderness on the Alone TV show, aired on the History Channel. What a remarkable achievement. So what's her secret? Pay close attention to what I'm about to tell you, please. The Medicinal Garden Kit. This entity is akin to your pathway to becoming your very own wellness sorcerer in your garden, much like Nicole. Within, you possess an incredible collection of 10 high-quality medicinal plant seeds. Envision having a complete rainbow of plants in your garden: Cory, yarrow, California poppy, and many others. And these plants are not merely aesthetically pleasing, they serve as your health companions. Cory excels as an analgesic, yarrow is your swift wound healer, and California poppy is your ally for peaceful sleep. Prepare to transform your garden into a veritable oasis of health. Picture yourself strolling through a garden emanating the fragrance of fresh lavender and chamomile. With the Medicinal Garden Kit, you will fabricate your own natural remedies, ranging from sophisticated tinctures to soothing balms, directly sourced from your garden. And here's the icing on the cake. When you acquire the kit, you will also receive a complimentary copy of the Herbal Medicine Guidebook, From Seed to Harvest. It serves as your DIY herbalist manual. So, even if you are an absolute beginner, there is no need to fret. Now, clutch onto your gardening gloves. This is not solely about purchasing seeds, it entails investing in your personal journey towards well-being. Ponder this: having your very own garden pharmacy signifies that you are prepared to confront any challenges life throws at you. So, are you prepared to roll up your sleeves and embark on this incredible adventure? Click on the link below to visit the official website and obtain your very own Medicinal Garden Kit. Remember, it is more than just a mere kit, it serves as your lifelong source of natural healing, right within your garden. Thank you for accompanying us in discovering the magic of the Medicinal Garden Kit. Just as Nicole Apelian demonstrated, nature possesses some seriously astounding tricks up its sleeve. Do not miss this opportunity to create your very own well-being paradise in your garden. Until next time, remain curious and continue to grow.